Hey everybody, today in lieu of Mother's Day, I have planned a very special video. Mom superstitions! Yay! My mom is extremely religious and extremely superstitious. Here I am going to tell you about some of the most ridiculous superstitions that my mom agrees with. The very first superstition that I am going to talk about is my mom says I shouldn't clean the floors of my room in the evening. I have no idea why. Sometimes some guests come to our house or it's windy outside and my room gets dusty. I am not allowed to clean the floor of my room in the evening. Number 2, my mom says I shouldn't cut nails at night because it attracts ghosts and witches. When I was little, I used to sleep alone in my room and I used to get scared and I used to go to my parents' room and I used to tell them, please can I sleep between you two today? And my mom used to say to me, there are no ghosts. Do ghosts especially come for me when I'm cutting my nails? Superstition number 3. My mom told me not to cry in the morning or at night. She told me not to cry when it's not morning and not afternoon, and she told me not to cry in the evening, like when it's not afternoon and not night. So the only time I'm allowed to cry is in the afternoon, and afternoon is for sleeping, so I'm not allowed to cry ever. Number 4, and this is an extremely common one. Obviously, if you are walking down the road and a cat crosses your path, you are not allowed to go by that road anymore because you will die if you go by that road that day. Apparently, cats have a death warning system. Number 5, if a mirror breaks or a bangle breaks or bangles break, something bad is going to happen to you that day and it's probably best you don't get out of the house that day. 6, don't scream in front of mirrors. I don't know why. I've tried it when my mom was not home and nothing happened. 7, if you accidentally bump your head with someone else's head, you should bump it again. Otherwise, a black dog will bite you. I've never taken that risk. If I accidentally bump my head with someone, I always bump it again because I do not want to be bitten by a black dog. Number 8, my mom tells me not to eat sweet things and get out of the house or a ghost will possess my body. That's why when I'm getting out of the house, she always makes me drink water or eat some salt. Honestly, I prefer drinking just water because salt tastes horrible by itself. I should mention right now, I don't have any siblings, brothers or sisters. So it's just me, my mom and my dad. That's 3 people. There's a saying in Hindi, teen tigada kaam bigada, and my mom believes in it. Whenever me, my mom and my dad are going in the car, she always takes a stone from the road and puts it in the car as the 4th person. She thinks if 3 people do anything together, that thing will go wrong. And she thinks if me, my mom and my dad will go together in the car, we'll have an accident. That's why she keeps the stone as the 4th person inside the car. Yep. Number 10, and this is outrageously weird. When something really good or something really bad happens to me, she makes me sit down and she repeatedly attempts to cleanse my aura, and then she takes green chili and she circles it around me and she spits around me so that bad people will not affect my future. Honestly, I have no idea why she does it. Honestly, it's so weird. I've never told anybody that my mom does this, but she does this quite regularly, like almost every month. Bonus superstition that I just remembered. My mom once said to me, we have only fixed amount of laughing and crying in our lifetime. When I was little, I used to laugh a lot. I mean, I still laugh a lot. When I was little, I used to laugh like there's no tomorrow. She told me if I use all my laughing right now, I'll have only crying left to do in the future. So I got pretty scared for a week or something. After that, I forgot. I should mention right now that my mother has done bachelor's in commerce from a very prestigious university. After that, she did bachelor's in education, master's in history, and she is a school teacher. If your mum or any other family member believes in such weird superstitions, please let me know in the comments, or you can tweet out to me on this Twitter account. You can also follow me on Instagram on this account. Bye!